Good evening, Athens and North Georgia. I'm student meteorologist Mason Sikes here at the University of Georgia, here to bring you North Georgia forecast. We are looking at pretty cloudy conditions over here in Athens with 63, with a feels like of 63, calm wind and humidity of around 46%. Tonight we are looking at lows of 48, mostly cloudy conditions and winds of around 5 miles per hour. Let's take a look at tomorrow and see how that differs. So tomorrow we are looking at 72 degrees with sunny conditions and winds of around 7 miles per hour. Let's actually talk about that drought. So we had rain earlier. Does that help with the drought? Maybe. We won't know until later, but with this latest run on March 31st, we're looking at Athens being in the severe to extreme drought territory. This means over the next week, where we are looking at drier conditions, fire dangers might be more prominent as we move through the next few weeks. Let's hope for some rain, but for now, this is what we're living through. For our pollen count, we are looking at a lot of this pollen coming from the trees, with pretty low impacts from mold and medium impacts from weeds and grass respectively. So that means that all this pollen that you guys are seeing and probably even feeling, that's probably coming from the trees, so definitely stay inside and be aware. For the Masters, we are looking at pretty favorable conditions for the Masters this weekend. We are looking at 80s to 85s on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday respectively, with sunny conditions. This means that we are looking at a pretty good weekend for the Masters in Augusta. So definitely stay in tune and watch the Masters if you want to. Let's take a look at the 7-day forecast and see what's going on. For our 7-day forecast, we are looking at a high of 72 tomorrow with a low of 47, with an uptrend from 70 to 80 as we move to closer to next week, with the lows also increasing from the upper 40s to lower 50s. Except for Wednesday, which has a slight dip in the temperature. I'm student meteorologist Mason Sikes here at the University of Georgia, and go Dogs.